We're going to take a quick look at how to answer some of the questions from the IXL JJ module that says find conditional probabilities using a two-way frequency table. Let's get started. In this first example, it asks, what is the probability that a selected snake is 2 feet long given that the snake is red? So the first thing that I'm going to do is isolate the cells that show the red snakes. I've done that by highlighting the red row green. That's 6 plus 4 or 10 snakes in total that are red. Now it says, what's the probability that a selected snake is 2 feet long given that it is a red snake? Well, the 2 feet long column is right here, and it shows that there are 4 of those 10 red snakes that are 2 feet long. So that'll just be the fraction 4 out of 10, which simplifies to 2/5. Let's try another one. It says, what is the probability that a randomly selected student believes that the balloon will shrink given that the student was uncertain? Once again, I'm going to find that condition of being uncertain, and I'm going to highlight it green. That's this column right here, which is a total of 4 students who are uncertain. Now, among those students who are uncertain, only one of them believes that the balloon is going to shrink. So that's a probability of 1 out of 4. In this next one, it says, what is the probability that a randomly selected bow tie is designed with zigzags given that it is made of velvet? Once again, I'm going to highlight the condition of being velvet, which is this column right here. That's 9 plus 10 or 19 bow ties. And then among those, 9 of them are made with the zigzag pattern. So that will be a fraction of 9 out of 19. For the last one, it says, what is the probability that a randomly selected pair of sunglasses has aviator frames given that the pair of sunglasses has polarized lenses? Well, we're only interested in the polarized lenses this time. That'll be 10 plus 5 plus 8, which sums up to 23. So 23 of the sunglasses have polarized lenses, but we only want glasses that have aviator frames with polarized lenses. So that'll be only 8 out of those 23. That makes the probability 8 over 23.